Hello viewers, welcome to Sarah's Herbs and Spices. Today we'll be making chicken tender bites. Let's get into the recipe. Step 1 will be to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. After that, we need to marinate the chicken pieces. I'll tell you as we go by. Here I have taken 400 grams of chicken breast. The chicken pieces have been thoroughly washed. Now let's start to marinate the chicken pieces. Paprika powder 1.5 teaspoons. Black pepper powder half a teaspoon. Onion powder half a teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, ginger powder half a teaspoon, salt to taste, chicken seasoning 1 teaspoon, and dried oregano half a teaspoon. Let's mix thoroughly all these together and let the chicken pieces marinate for around 1 to 2 hours. Cover the bowl with a cling wrap and let it marinate in the refrigerator. Step 3 is to make the flour mixture, half for the batter and half for dusting. 1 heaped cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all this well with a spatula. To make the flour batter, let's take 1 egg, beat the egg and mix it with 1/4 cup of milk. Then add the flour mixture which we have prepared earlier. Half of the flour mixture can be used in order to prepare this batter. Mix half the portion of the flour in order to get a fairly thick batter. Yeah, look at this, a kind of a ribbon consistency. That should be fine. Now you can add the chicken pieces and double coat it. That is, first into the batter, then into the dry flour, then again into the batter and back into the flour mixture. And then you can pop it into the oil. The double coating process is going on. By double coating, you get a very crispy outer layer and a very soft and tender inside. As the coating process is going on, you have to heat some oil in a pan side by side so that by the time you finish coating, the oil will be ready. Frying time is only 1 to 2 minutes as the oil is pretty hot. The chicken pieces get fried very quickly. So the first batch is done, so let's take it out of the oil. Drain the chicken pieces in a colander. Here goes in the second batch. Thank you friends for watching. I'll be back with more interesting recipes. Have a great day.